That is why the Brahma Vidya Sampradaya is always misunderstood and many times lost, because in the Sampradaya the one and only thing you need is an awakened Guru. When awakened Guru is there, no tool is required, because no tools are used, nothing is left. Birds do not leave footprint in the air, but buffaloes always leave a deep footprint in the sludge. If you are traveling in the path of buffalo, very easy, because there will be a deep footprint in the sludge. Techniques, methods, methodology, path. The path traveled will be there. You can easily catch it, leave it. Again and again you can travel. But the unique thing in the Brahma Vidya Sampradaya, in Vedanta Sampradaya, is no footprints left. No techniques are left. No methodology. If you analyze exhaustively all the Vedanta literatures, you will see only 3 advice: Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. Means listen, imbibe, express. Come on, what to listen? There is no answer. Whom to listen? There is no answer. What to imbibe? There is no answer. What to express? There is no answer. Brahma Vidya Sampradaya. Brahma Vidya Sampradaya does not leave footprints. It's an ecstasy. Birds do not leave footprint in the sky. Paramahamsas do not leave technique trails in the conscious inner space. This is one of the great advantage in the Brahma Sutra in the Vedic tradition, Brahma Vidya Sampradaya. Same way, great disadvantage. It is completely master-centric. That is why all Vedanta Sampradayas are Guru cults. I am using the word cult purposely. Of course, the truth is Guru cultures. I wanted to tell all the Hindus, all the Vedantis who think some group is a cult. For example, if you are a follower of Ramakrishna, you think all other Guru Sampradayas are cults. Only your tradition is a culture. If you are a follower of me, you think all other traditions are cults. Only our tradition is culture. I wanted to tell you all Hindu Sampradayas are either cult or culture. How you look is different. That is the only difference. All Hindu Sampradayas, all Vedanta Sampradayas can be considered as cult or culture. If you say some sampradaya is a cult, then you should understand all sampradayas are cult. If you think some sampradayas are culture, then all sampradayas are culture.
Trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. I can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare, I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion, your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda, my life's become a meditation. Ever since we had a deep connection. Nityananda, Nityananda. Oh, every time I see you, my consciousness expands. Oh, my heart begins to dance. And every time when I think of you, I just start to melt.